Welcome to the Tetrion Make Good 4-in-1 how-to video, where we'll show you how you can achieve a clean and professional finish across multiple surfaces. Make Good 4-in-1 is a high-performance, multi-purpose, professional quality sealant and adhesive with 3D dynamic movement. In this repair, you'll see that a conventional sealant has moulded. Prepare the area, ensuring it is clean, dirt-free and dry. Remove any previous sealant with the help of a craft knife. Cut the tube nozzle at a 45-degree angle. Apply the filler and smooth down with your finger. You can wipe away any excess with a damp cloth. And don't worry, 4-in-1 can easily be washed off your hands with water. Allow 36 hours for the product to dry. 4-in-1 is also an excellent product to use on skirting boards as a sealant, an adhesive, a bonder, and a filler. As a high-quality adhesive, 4-in-1 can be applied onto the back of the panel. As a sealer, the product need only be smoothly applied along the trim of a skirting board, and with the help of your finger, smooth down for a clean finish. This lab demonstration illustrates 4-in-1 is capable of movement in 3 dimensions. Other flexible sealants are designed to be compressed, stretched, and move up and down, but they will fail when a twisting movement is applied. If you happen to have any chipped areas on your skirting board, then 4-in-1's filler capabilities can sort them right out. Apply 4-in-1 and smooth down using a spreader as shown. Leave the product to dry and paint over. And you'll have a clean, professional finish. You can also use 4-in-1 to repair any splits, cracks, or damage to your skirting board. Simply mask off any areas you wish to protect and apply the filler as shown. Any raised product can be carved and painted over as required. And your skirting board is as good as brand new. Tetrion 4-in-1 is excellent when replacing a tile. Not only is it a fantastic adhesive, but also great for grouting and sealing edges. Apply the filler onto the back of a tile and place it onto the wall, ensuring that it is straight and secure. Then simply apply 4-in-1 to fill the gaps and seal around the tiles, again ensuring to wipe off any excess product. Now you'll have mold-resistant tiling for up to 25 years. 4-in-1 can also be used on floorboard edges, worktop and door frame edges, window frames, and any other joints. Tetrion! Fill! Stick! Bond!